Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to download and install Signal app in your desktop. Make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now let's get straight into the process. You can use any of the browser available in your device. Here I will be using Microsoft Edge. Here I go. Now at the top you can see that search bar. Here I will be typing Signal app download. Now you can see go to download and then link for Signal download, click on that. Now you have to click on download for Windows. You can see that it is in the process to be downloaded in your desktop. After it is downloaded, you can easily install it. Wait for a few seconds. Now click on that. Now you have to tap on open file. Here you have to click on install anyway. Now it is in the process to be installed to your desktop. After waiting for a few seconds, it will be appeared on your screen. In this way, you can easily download and install Signal app in your desktop. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.